Hey there, tech enthusiasts. I've got some exciting news for you. The N-SPORT707 watch face, a stunning digital watch, is now available for WearOS devices. This innovative timepiece features a sleek design, easy-to-read display, and a range of customization options. The N-SPORT707 watch face is available on the Google Play Store, so head on over and download it now. And if you're a fan of our work, we'd love to hear your feedback. Your input helps us improve and create even better products. As a special offer, we're running a buy one get one promotion. So, if you're in the market for a new watch face, now's the perfect time to check out our website, nsportwatchface.com. Please note that before installing the N-SPORT707 watch face, make sure to follow the instructions carefully. You can find them on our website, nsportwatchface.com/instruction-install. Lastly, we're excited to announce that the N-SPORT707 watch face is now compatible with the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, whether you're a Samsung user or a WearOS enthusiast, this watch face is perfect for you. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tech updates and news. Cheers!